So guys, the main motive of creating any product, any service, any tool, any software is to solve the pain in the market, to solve the problems of the market. Okay, and when I was starting out in this online field, the main pain which I felt is that all these tools, okay, like how to create a landing page, how to create a email marketing automation, how to create a funnel and all that. So it was a big issue for me because firstly I was new to this field, and secondly I was not that good in technical. Okay, and if I check on the internet, I get a lot of confusion. Like some says okay, try ClickFunnels, some says okay, try email marketing tools and all that. And basically in all this confusion, we forgot to learn the main skill, which is about marketing, the ads, the Facebook ad, Google ad, web designing, content writing, SEO and all that. Okay, so instead of focusing on this, people are confused in which tool and what tool I should use. But luckily the search now comes to an end because I have found one tool which will do all your job, okay, and that too for free. And I am not kidding, I'm gonna show you how this tool is gonna solve our problem and how this single tool can serve our purpose. Okay, so let's get into my screen. So I've given the link of this software in the description. So once you click on the description, you will land up to this page. Okay, and here you can see the tool name is Systeme.io, and as it says, the easiest and fastest way to grow your business online. And if you scroll down, you will see what are the features it gives, like how to create a sales funnel, how to create a email marketing, how to create online course, and marketing automation and all. Okay, and it does not only say it, it actually means it. I'm going to show you how to get each and everything by using this tool. Okay, so let's first quickly see what are the things we are going to cover in this video. So first we learn about how we can sign up with Systeme.io tool. Then we are going to learn about how to create a landing page and a thank you page with the help of this tool. Then we are going to learn about how to set up an email autoresponder and link it with our landing page. Then we are going to learn about how we can create a complete online course in this tool, okay, and also with the discount code. Then we are going to learn about how we can create a complete funnel here with payment system integrated, email automation, order form, and the thank you page. So everything will be integrated in the funnel. Then we are going to learn about how we can create a blog in this tool, okay, and then finally we are going to learn about how to create a email automation workflow or the drip sequence using this tool. And then finally we are going to talk about pricing. And also guys, as always, the timestamps are in the description below. So that's been said, let's get started. So the first step is you need to sign up to this tool. So for that, just go here and enter your email ID here and click on get started for free. You will get an email confirmation. Just click on that and you will land up to the dashboard. So the dashboard will look something like this. Okay, so now basically you will have multiple options at the top, like funnel, email automation, product sale, course, blogs, etc. And don't worry, I'm gonna explain you each and everything step by step. So let's say first we want to create a landing page, thank you page, and also set up an email autoresponder. And don't worry, you don't need any external email marketing tool for this. Everything is inbuilt in this software only. So first you need to click on this funnel option here, and then you'll get a page something like this. Just click on this create, and here you will get like 4 options, so you can choose any option here. So first I want to build an audience, so I'll choose this. And let's say I am creating a landing page for selling my course, so WordPress course I'll write here. And if you are from India, just choose India, and if you're from US, just choose US. It's basically the currency here, and click on create. Okay, so now you will get something like this page. Okay, I'll remove everything. Okay, I'm gonna show you everything step by step. Okay, so something like this will come. Just click on this create step. Okay, and let's say I am just writing here landing page, and I will choose here the type. So basically the type could be anything. You can choose even a pop-up form as well, but I will choose this squeeze page here, and I will click on save. Alright, so now you will get some pre-built templates. Okay, and these are like really amazing and premium templates. I think ClickFunnels have some templates like this, and that too they are paid, and this software is giving you everything for free. So let's say I like this one, so I'll choose this one. Okay, and even you can do preview and check that if you like this or not. So see, this is the landing page. Okay, it's looking so good. You can call it like opt-in page as well, or if you'll go here preview, you can see this page also. This is also looking like really good. Okay, so it depends upon you. You can just play around with it. So for now I'm gonna choose this one, select. Okay, and now you need to go here in this edit page. If you'll go here, see third option here, edit page, and now you can edit this page. You can even create a page from scratch, but I will recommend you that just first import a template and then add according to your need. So let's say this is a page. Okay, and let's say I want to add something. For example, I want to add a heading here. So at the left side there is a heading title. Just slide it here, and you can see we have this option. Okay, then just click here and write here WordPress course. Okay, now if you want to increase the size, just increase the font size here. If you want to decrease the line weight, I'll decrease this, line height. And then if you want some padding, margin, everything is here. Okay, then go back, and then let's say I want to import a video here. So I'll just scroll down this video. So you can see this is the video. Now click on this video, and here you have like YouTube links. Okay, so basically I will just paste any YouTube link here. Okay, and then your landing page is more or less ready. Okay, now the step is like, here we have the form. Okay, this is the important part. Here if you want to add something more, okay, like you want first name and the last name as well. So how to do that? Just go back here. Okay, they have option like form here. Okay, yeah, this one, form input. Just scroll down. Okay, and here you can write like enter, and then you have a email, and then you have a join now. Click on this button, and instead of this send form, choose next step URL. I'll tell you what does this mean, and then just click on this save changes here. Go back. Okay, and now I will create a thank you page here. Just click on this create step. I'll write here thank you page. Okay, and now choose the type as thank you page, and click on the save. Now again choose any template, and the templates are really good looking here, right? So let's say I want to choose this one, select, and now again click on this magic pencil icon, that is edit page, and here you can see like thank you for subscribing, or you can write like thank you for enrolling into my course, thank you for enrolling. Okay, and now you can also put your socials here, like your Facebook page, Facebook group, Instagram page, and all. Let's say I want to put this Twitter. So see, we have like tweet option here. So, and also you can add like your own Instagram and all that. Okay, so once it's done, click on this save changes. Okay, now go back. Now if I'll show you the page, now our landing page is ready. Yeah, it was that easy. First just go to this page and click on this view funnel, and you see your funnel is ready. And one thing I forgot to show you, this funnel is mobile friendly as well. Like if I'll go here and click on this edit, just scroll down and choose this phone option. Okay, you will see it is automatically fixed in phone, and if you want to like fix by yourself, just click on this WordPress, just increase the font size, and you can play around with it. Okay, I hope you got it. Now click on the save changes, go here, refresh, and this is my landing page. Okay, and it's looking really good. Okay, now let's say I want to enter my name, enter the email ID as well, and click on this join now. So automatically I'll be redirected to the thank you page here, and I will get the email ID. Yeah, I'll show you that. Just go back here, just come to the dashboard, menu, dashboard, main dashboard, and you can see I got this him 123, the same email ID which I entered just now. I got that. Alright guys, now we have created our landing page and the thank you page, but now we want to set up an email autoresponder, which means that if anybody enters their email ID here, they will automatically receive an email saying that thank you for enrolling into my course, or like ID and password for your course details, or anything which you want to send them. So basically now we are gonna see how to create an email campaign and link it with our landing page. And don't worry, everything I'm showing you here is free, okay, and it can be done from this tool only. So go to the dashboard here. Now just click on this menu and go to this email, and here we have like two options, newsletter and campaign. Just choose this campaign option here, and now click on this create WordPress emails, okay, and then I'll click on this save campaign. Now just click on this WordPress email here, and now we need to create an email, okay. So click on this add an email, and the sender's name will be like means your name who is sending the email. So I'll put my name, and here try to keep your business email, okay. Don't try to put like Gmail or Yahoo email because their inbox rate is very low. So try to keep it like your professional email. I assume you guys have your site and have your email, and if you don't have, you can buy a business email from the GoDaddy or any other hosting providers, okay. And now just write the subject, alright, and now just choose this classic editor and click on this create. Alright, so now we have the subject, we have the sender's email name, and then the body. So body will be like hi, and you can write, and you can make it like more personalized by adding the name, okay. So I'll keep here like first name, okay, comma, and then you can do something like thank you for enrolling. Just overlook my spellings, okay, and just and you can put the hyperlink here. You can choose this one, and you can put the link of your course and click on OK, right. So this is your email, and now just click on this save and publish. You can also save and check the email, okay, but I'll just do the save and publish. I'll show the email as well, no worries. So click on this save and publish. Now it's asking that what should be the delay, like when you want to send the email. So I'll put here like 0, so that if somebody enters the somebody fills the form here, he will automatically get the email, okay. You can also create a delay like for 2 hour, 3 hour, or for a day or 2, okay. And then you can just click on this publish, right. So we have created our email here. Now we need to automate it and link it with our landing page. So how to do that? Alright, so now let's go back to our funnel and link this email with that. So just go to this menu, go to this funnel, and click on this WordPress course, and then now click on this automation rules here, okay. And I've already done that, so I'll remove it and I'll show you how to do that. So basically now you need to click on this add rule, and then click on this funnel step form subscribe. So it means that if anybody subscribe to this form, right, what action needs to be taken, okay. So if I'll click on this, now it'll ask that what action you need to do. So I'll choose on this add action, and I will just choose this subscribe to campaign. So if anybody fills this form, they will automatically subscribe to my campaign. So I'll choose this, and then here it's asking for which campaign. So the campaign which we created, just choose this, that is WordPress email, and save the rule, and go to step configuration, go to this, just save it. And now I think our landing page is linked with the email automation. So let's check that. So just click on this view funnel. I will open this in incognito mode. Alright, so now I'll fill the form and click on this join now. Okay, so ideally an email should have been sent to my Gmail ID. So I'll go to my email. See, you can see we have got this email. So if I'll show you the time, right now the time is 5:43, okay. And if I open this email,
I got this email just now, which is 5:43 only. Okay, so this is the email which we wrote and it got automated. You can see here it's showing here via systeme.io, right? And not only single email, let's say you want to send them like 4 or 5 emails at a particular interval of time, you can do that as well. So basically we call it like drip sequence. So how to do that? Just go to this campaign here, just open your campaign and you can add here more emails. So I'll add like one more email here. So first email was like thank you for enrolling, and this email we are gonna send them the ID and password of our course. Okay, so I'll just write my name here. Subject is that login details for the course, anything, and then just choose this classic editor and click on create, and then you can write here like I'm not focusing on the content right now, login details. Okay, and then you can write here ID and password and all that. Okay, and let's say now I want to send this email after a day. Okay, so just go here, go to the save and publish here, and here you can choose like 1 and just choose here days. So after 1 day this email will be sent. So what does this mean? This email will be sent as soon as somebody subscribe to the form, and this email will be sent after a day. So like that you can create like 4 or 5 email sequence and you can send them on a regular interval. And also we can create a marketing automation, like we can do a proper A/B testing through our email automation. I will show you that as well in the later part of the video. So yeah, we have successfully created our landing page, thank you page, and added an email autoresponder along with that. Alright, so now we are gonna see how we can actually create a complete online course here. Yes, we can actually put our videos here and create a complete online course. And not only that, after that I'll show you how you can get an order page and sell that course as well. Okay, and that too for free. So let's see that. Just go to this menu here and just go to this product/sales and click on this courses. So you will land up to something page like this. Now just click on this add a new course, and here I will write the course name. So let's say I'm creating a WordPress course here, so I'll just write here WordPress course. Of course you can give a better name, this is just for an example. Then here we have a URL. So the best part is that they have their own hosting. You can completely host your videos or the courses on this site, and you don't need any external hosting for that. Okay, so this will be your path. So I will want to change the path name, so the path will be like WordPress course. Okay, and then you can also edit the theme as well, like classic, purple, green, something. I'll keep it classic. Now instructor name, so you can keep here your name, and then you can also add your logo as well. And then here see, you can also add your pixel code as well, so that you can keep a track of that and you can do remarketing as well, right? And then we have a sales page, so I'll come to this. For now just leave it and click on this save option here. Okay, and now we have this add module, so just click on this add module, and let's keep the first module as I'll make it like what is WordPress. Okay, or I'll keep it like introduction, and click on this save. It's very straightforward. And now we have this add lecture. So here the structure is like one module can have like different lectures, then you can create one more module and then it has like different lectures. Okay, so first we have our first module, which is introduction, and now I'm creating a lecture inside it. So like I can keep it lesson 1, choose this page type as video, and then click on this save. And now you can see we have this video option here. So if you have a video hosted somewhere, or if you have the link of your video, just go here and just paste it. So for example, I'll choose my video here. So I've made a video upon how to create a blog, so I'll just copy this and I will paste it here. Okay, and now you can see I have this video is here. And now basically I can keep the heading. So heading will be like what is WordPress, and the best part is below that we have an option like we can add something. So if you have any PDF or any resource regarding to this video, you can add here as well. Okay, and then click on this save changes, go back, just go here and add one more lecture. So I'll add here like lesson 2. I'm just showing you the flow. Okay, and then I can add here like video again. Click on save and just click on this save changes. Alright, go back. Now you can again click here and create a new. Click here at the top, add module, and here I will write like hosting and domain. Save. And now I will add my lectures inside this module. So add lecture, it will be like lesson 3. Page type will be text. Save. So what is text? So text means that if you want to give some PDF or give some readable articles here, you can put that as well, and click on this save changes. I'm not here showing you how to customize all this because I think it is straightforward. You can do it for yourself, and plus it will take a lot more time if I start you showing how to customize the pages. Okay, so let's click on the save changes and go back. So now we have created a course here. Okay, the course name is WordPress course. Yep. And now if anybody wants to access this course, so just click on this course here. Okay, and click on this setting here, and this is the course link. Just copy from here, and I will open it in incognito mode and see, this is the course. So right now we can't see the course. Okay, and we have only one option, which is like login option, but we don't want this. What we want is that we want a buy now option. Like if somebody clicks on that button, buy our course, then they will be able to access the course. So how to do that? If you'll come to this course page here, and if you go to this setting here, you will see at the below we have this sales page option. So what it means is that we need to create a sales page and link with this course here, so that buy option will come and the people can buy this. Okay, so now we are gonna see a complete funnel, like how we can create a sales page, how we can create a order page, how we can add that payment system in the order page, and then how we can link this like email automation there, and then finally how we can create a thank you page. So a complete funnel system is going to be created here. So this is going to be very important. Just listen to me. Okay, so first let's go to this dashboard here, or let's go to this funnel here. Okay, and since we have already created one funnel, I will remove this because in the free version we can only create a single funnel. So I'll just click on this. Okay, so I will just open this and I will remove the pages here. Delete. Okay, and now we are going to create a complete funnel from scratch. So first we'll have a sales page, or basically the first opt-in page. So just click on this create step and right here like the sales page, and here I will choose that sales page. Okay, and click on this save. And now just choose one theme. So the sales page should be like a simple page, so I'll click this one, I'll choose this one, select. So now you can see it is a simple page here with one video where you will explain them about your course, and then finally we have this get instant access. So I want to add like one more option here, like the email option. So I'll just choose this form input, I will drag it here. Okay, and just go to this input type and choose this email. Okay, and now you can see the spacing issue is there, so we need to fix it. So I'll just click on this button and then I'll go down, and then I will increase the padding from the top. Yeah, and then this also I'll just decrease the padding from left and right. So from the left we will make it like 30, from right we'll make it like 30. Okay, and then we can increase the font size as well. So yeah, now it's looking fine, and here we can write like get the course access. Okay, and now just go at the top and choose here like next step URL, right? Or you can just choose first send form, and then you need to choose here like next step. Okay, and then we'll check it how it looks in the phone. So I'll click here on the phone, and in the phone we need to again increase some padding, I mean the margin. So I'll just click here, I'll go down and I will increase the margin from top. So basically the changes which you are doing on the phone will be only for phone, and the one which you are doing for the PC, it will be only for the PC. So now click on the save changes here. Right, now go back. So we have created our sales page. Now we need to create our order page. So let's click on this create page and write here like order page, and just choose this type here. Type will be like order form, and click on save. Now we'll choose the order page here. So I like this one, so you can choose like this one only. Just click on this select. Okay, and now we will edit the page. So just click on this edit page here. So here you can see how much professional this page looks. Okay, it has like here two options. One is the all the details, and the second will be like payment option here. So just scroll down, you can add like some introduction video or some explanatory video here as well. And now let's see this one. So I want only the name and the email. I don't want this address here, so I'll choose this one. I will remove this. Then again I will choose this postal code. I will remove this as well. I will remove this country as well, I mean the city as well. I'll keep this country option, and this shipping I'll make it a bit small. Yeah, now it's looking fine. And this is the first step. Okay, step 1. And also I want only the first name, or I can keep both. Okay, I can keep both. I will just increase this one here. Yeah, now it's looking fine. Now let's go to the second step. So just click here, step 2 at the left side, and here we have the second step. Okay, so now we need to add the payment option here. Okay, so how to do that, how to add the payment? So for that, first we have to link the payment, and also we need to keep a price of our course as well. So now we are gonna see how to add a payment and how to add the price to our course. So first click on this save changes here. Okay, now go back, and now you first go to this profile here. Just click on this setting. You need to click on this payment gateway now, and here you can see we have two options like Stripe and PayPal. So I have my Stripe account, so I have linked my Stripe account here. If you have your PayPal account or Stripe account, you can link it. So it's pretty straightforward. Just click on this connect option. You will land up to the Stripe page. Just enter your email ID, password, and create a Stripe account, and then link it here. Okay, and if you don't know how to create a Stripe or PayPal account, just search on the net. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So once you have linked a Stripe or PayPal account, our payment gateway has been linked. Okay, now the second step is how we can add the price to our course. So for that, go back, just go to menu and go to funnel here. Just open this. So now in this order page, just scroll down, and here you will see the three options are there: resources, price, and coupons. So first we'll choose this price. Just click on this plus. Okay, and now you need to choose the plan. So the plan will be like price. Plan type is like one shot, so that they can pay all the amount at once. Now the price plan will be like you need to create a price plan. Okay, so how to do that? So I have already created two plans, but I will show you from scratch. So just create on this create a new one. Okay, and here I will make like WP course, and price plan name will be also same, and then descriptor will be like something you can keep. I'll keep WP course only. Okay, and now the price type. So price type will be like one shot, and now here you need to choose the amount. So for now, let's say my the price is like 9999 in rupees. Okay, and then you need to just click on this save option here. So my price is added here. All right, so now you can say, okay, the price is a bit higher, I want a coupon code for that, so we can create that as well. How? You can see here we have a coupon option here. Just click on this plus option. Okay, choose like fixed, choose like this one, percentage discount here, and you need to create a coupon here. So just click on this create. And so in the free plan we can only create one, so I'll choose that only. It's easy. You will have a option like what to enter as a code. Just enter the coupon code. So I entered like high 50 as a coupon code and click on this save. Alright, so we have like 50% discount coupon here, and we have our price as well. Now we need to link this to our order page. So just go to this order page and go to this edit page here. Alright, now scroll down, and now this is the first step. This is fine. Now let's go to the second step, step 2. Alright, and now here I will add like, first I will remove this one, this individual company. I don't want this. Okay, and I want the coupon. So just scroll down and choose this coupons here. Okay, I'll put it here. See, this is the coupon. Of course you can change the color and all, you can do that. And I will remove this one, this offer price. So we have like coupon and we have this one, and also you can add here like in the ship my product. Alright, and let's click on this save changes. So it's saying that you need to integrate this price element here. So just go back here, and you need to choose this. Just drag this one, this offer price here. Okay, and click on save changes. Now go back and go to this first page. Okay, we will also create a thank you page, but first see it's working or not. So I'll save it. I'll go to sales page, I'll save it, and click on this view funnel. So this is our landing page here. Okay, now if somebody enters the email ID and click on the get course access, okay, so they will land up to the sales page now, the order page. Now here let's say I enter any name and click on this claim special offer. So now you can see here it's saying to enter your card details, but we don't have the coupon yet. I think it's not added, so let's check that. So I'll go back again. See, it's automatically removed, okay, this price and coupon. Why? Because we haven't saved it. So we need to create once again. So click on this plus and I click on save here. Now let's go back, just again open this page, and now let's add the coupon here. So I'll just go to step 2. See, now we can see the WP course price here. So basically I want it to be below. Let's scroll down. Yeah, so here is the price, and here is the discount code option, and here is the buy the course. Now click on this save changes. Now let's go to our funnel starting. I'll go to the sales page and click on this view funnel. So I'll open this in incognito mode. Alright, so now we will enter any email here and then click on this get course access. So now we came to the order form. Now here we'll enter the name, email, location, and claim a special offer. Now we'll go to this second page here. Here we have the course price as 9999. So basically I want a discount of 50%, so I'll write high 50 and apply. And you can see the course price has become 5000, a direct 50% off. It's so easy. We are getting all the options inside this tool only. And now you need to enter your credit card here and then click on this buy the course. Okay, and now we need to add a thank you page as well. So we'll go back again and click on this create step, and let's say thank you page, and click on save. And then we can actually choose like this one, thank you for the order. Select and edit it. So in the thank you page, like, they will get this pop-up, thank you for order, and they will get their details here, and also you can tell them to join your social groups as well. Okay, now click on this save changes. Now go back. In the order page, I need to link this to the thank you page, so I'll go back to order page and just click on this edit page. Just go to step 2, and in the buy button, basically, yeah, so I think it will automatically land up to the third page. Okay, I don't see any option here to go to the third page because I think it will automatically go. And yeah, one more thing we forgot to add, we need to add the automation as well, and also we need to give them the course access as well. So how to do that? Just go back here, go to this order form. Here you can see we have an option like resources. Just click on this plus here. It means that if somebody buys the course, or somebody does any payment on the order page, what are the accesses we are gonna give. So just click on this select resource and click on this course. So basically I am gonna give them the access of the course. Just choose the course, just choose the access type, so it's like full access, and click on save. Okay, and apart from that, I also want to add the automation, so I click on this automation rules. I'll just go on add. I'll just choose this new sale. So if somebody makes any new sale on the order form, they will get a automation, I mean they will get an email. Just click on this add action, and they will be subscribed to my campaign. Of course, you can create a complete new campaign for this, and just link your campaign and click on this save rule. Okay, so basically if anybody goes and submit the form and buys the course, they will get these many accesses. Like, they will first get the 50% off, then they will get the access of the course, and then they will get a automation email as well. Okay, so yep, we have created a complete funnel using this tool, and that too for free. This is the power of Systeme.io. Basically they have their inbuilt payment options as well, and the discount options as well. That is really great. Alright, and still our one step is missing, which is to link this sales page to our course. So just go to this menu here and go to this this product here, go to this courses here. Now just click here and go to this setting option and go down and choose the page. So I'll click on this WordPress course, and here I will choose the sales page, right? And now click on save. So now if somebody opens the course, like, I'll go here and I will copy this link. I'll go to incognito and I will open the course. So see, here we have now this buy option. So if anybody clicks on this buy option, they will go to the sales page. Now here they need to enter their email and click on this get course access. Now they will come to the order form. Here they will enter their details, do the payment, and click on the claim offer. So automatically they will go to the third page, which is thank you page. Along with that, they will have the access of the course, and they will get an email automation as well. Okay, so yeah, everything is now set up. So and if you're getting confused, just watch this video again, because I've tried to explain everything very easily. Okay, and you will understand it.
Alright, now we'll see how we can create a blog in this tool. Okay, just go to menu here and just choose this blogs and click on this create a blog. Here you can put the blog name. So let's say I'm giving a review upon WordPress review. Okay, and here will be your blog domain. here will be the path, right? So there's like pre-built templates here, blog 1, blog 2, you can choose any of it. So I'm choosing this one and just click on create. Now just click on this WordPress review here. So basically automatically this tool has created 3 pages for us: contact, page list and home page. So let's say I don't want these 2 pages, I want only a single page. So first I will remove these 2 pages. Just click on this delete option here, and I think we can't delete these pages. So let me first open the home page here. So this is the blog which they by default created. Okay, and now you can edit this template. Okay, so let's say I don't want this part, so I'll just click on this delete here and I can remove this. Let's say I don't want this part as well, so I can just choose this complete column here and I will remove it. Okay, now let's say I want like 4 columns or some columns here, so I'll just go here, I'll drag this 3 column, right? Now we can put any widgets here, like let's say I want heading at the first one, so I'll just drag this heading here. I want this content box here, I'll put this, and in the third I want some bullet points, I'll put this. Okay, so here I'm not gonna show you how to customize it because it might take some time, but it's like pretty straightforward and I think you'll be able to do it. Okay, and yep, once you have done all the content writing, then just click on this save changes here. Okay, and now let's see how our blog looks. Okay, just go back here, and this post, I think homepage was there, I'll just click on this view page and see this is our page. Okay, and yep, there's one issue is here. You can see we have at the top this a header and at the below this footer which has the system A icon and all. So this you can't remove in the free version. Even if you'll go here and try to edit something, you can't edit the header and footer. Okay, that's why I feel that writing a blog is not that great in this tool, or if you're okay with this header and footer, you can go for it as well. Okay, and now we are gonna see how to create a email workflow or the email automation workflow or the drip sequence workflow. You can call it anything. Okay, so for that, just go to this menu here and go to this automation and click on this workflows. So for those who don't know what is this email workflow, so basically I'll give you an example. So you might have seen, if you subscribe to any email, you get an email from them after a fixed interval of time, like every day or like every week. Apart from that, that email depends upon your action as well. Like if you click on that email, then you will get a different email. If you do not click on that email, then you will get a different email. Okay, apart from that, you might have seen that if you join any course, they give you email every day, in every chapter being sent to you every day. Okay, so how all this happens? So basically they have set up the workflow for that, and once it's done, the workflow will do its job. Okay, and no worry if you didn't understand, I'll show you here practically. So just go on this create here and let's give our workflow name. This is only for your reference. Click on create. Right, now just edit it. Builder. So here you can see we have this first option, create your first trigger. So it means that how this workflow should start, like what action if any users take, then this workflow should be triggered. So I'll choose this one, and you can choose a trigger. So I'll go down and I will choose this enroll in course option, and I will choose my course here and I will click on create. So it means that if somebody is enrolled in the course, this workflow will start. Then I will click on this plus icon here. Okay, and here we have like 3 options: action, decision and delay. So I'll choose this action first, and inside this action I will choose action like send an email. Okay, and I will choose here the email. So basically I'll choose this thank you for enrolling email, and then I will choose on, and then I will click on this choose. So it means that if somebody is enrolled in my course, they will get this first email which is thank you for enrolling. And now I will click here plus.
Okay, and now let's say I will make a decision here, or basically I will choose a delay here. Okay, so delay would be like, for let's say I'll make it a day, 1 day, and then create. So basically one day delay is created, and then after a day I will take a decision here. Decision will be like, I will choose a filter, and I will choose on this this activity. Okay, and let's say I have sent that thank you for enrolling email on 29th. Okay, so I'll keep this, and then I will add a condition here, and I will choose a filter. I will choose this email clicked, and then I will choose this thank you for enrolling. So what does this mean? This means that the day which I have sent the email, that is thank you for enrolling email, and if they have done no activity, it means that they haven't clicked on that email on that day, then I need to take some action, and then I will click on this create here. Okay, now you can see we have this yes and no action. If the user click on that email on that particular day only, then I should take some action, and if they didn't check that email or didn't clicked on that email on that day, I need to take some other action. Okay, so first I'll go to this plus. Okay, and I will choose this action. So if the user has checked that thank you for enrolling email, I will send them my first lesson. So I'll again go back, means I'll again scroll down and choose this send an email, and in this I will choose lesson 1, and I will click on choose. Okay, so they will get that email after a day, and if that guy didn't open that email, then I need to click on this plus again, and I need to send them a different email. Okay, so I'll go to this action, or basically I will send them the same email which is thank you for enrolling again. Okay, so I can do that here, and I will click on choose. Okay, so yeah, so basically this is the power of the workflow. You can take an action according to the user's action. Okay, so similarly you can just click on this plus and keep on adding all the actions, and when your complete workflow is being set up, then just go back now. Okay, and your workflow is not active yet, so to make it active, just click on this activate here and click on this confirm, and now your email workflow is activated. So now if somebody goes to the landing page, basically like this one, and if they just go here, and if they just enter their email ID and buy my course, they will automatically be subscribed to my email workflow, and they will start getting email every day from my side. Okay, so this is the power of email workflow. Most of the tool do not give this on the free version, but this tool has managed to give this thing as well in the free version. Okay, so a big shout out for this. So now we have seen all the important features of this tool. Okay, I know the video went quite a bit longer, but trust me, this is going to be very important. And the software is not only limited to these features, they have some extra features as well. If you'll go to this menu, and if you'll go to this contact, you can add here your tags as well, like you can separate your subscribers according to your tag. Okay, apart from this, if you'll go to this contact here, you can export all these contacts, like you just choose this. Okay, and click here, just go to this more action, and they have a export option. You can export that. Apart from this, you can also sell physical product as well, like if you go to this product sale, just go to this physical product, and you can basically sell your product here as well. Okay, I know it might take some time to get comfortable with this tool, but if you will watch this video once or twice, I know this tool will become a piece of cake for you. Okay, and now let's go to the last part, which is the pricing of this tool. Okay, so just click on this upgrade your account, and this is the pricing option. In the free plan, which is a freemium plan, okay, in the free version you can have only 1000 contacts, and then you can only set up 3 sales funnel, and then you can make only one blog, and then you can make only one workflow, and you can create only one tag. Okay, and yes, here is a limitation: the email campaign you can create only one. Okay, but yes, if you're just starting out, you can use this free version. Once you have started earning from this online field, then you can go to this starter plan, which is only $27 per month. Okay, and this is like you can have almost 5 workflow, and you can have 50 sales funnel steps. Okay, that is really great. And then you can have order bump, A/B testing, and you can create 10 tags and 5 workflow. Okay, so I think you should first start with this freemium, and once you start getting a result, then you can upgrade to this $27 per month plan. Okay, and the best part is that with this plan you are getting everything. Like, you don't need a separate tool for a landing page, a separate tool for email marketing, a separate tool for automation and all. Okay, everything is done and covered in this tool only. So I think this is a very great price, and yep, you can opt for this. Okay,
so I hope guys you understood the power of this tool, and you have seen how this tool has solved the biggest problem which comes while setting up an online business. And I've tried my best to explain you each and everything of this tool. And if you like the video, or if you like the effort of mine, just consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you like my effort, just click on the link below and try signing up to this tool with my affiliate link, so that it will help me and my channel as well. It will give me a boost to create more and more knowledgeable and important videos like this. And guys, I'm also pretty active on Instagram, where I try to share some informative content in the form of reels and infographic, so do follow me there as well. The link would be coming below. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. See you next time. Take care.